Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of robotic vacuums with the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus. This robot vacuum and mop combo promises to make your life easier and your floors cleaner. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. In a world increasingly dominated by smart home technology, robot vacuums have become increasingly popular. They offer a convenient way to keep our homes clean without lifting a finger. The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus stands out from the crowd with its impressive array of features designed to tackle even the most stubborn dirt and grime. Throughout this review, we'll explore what makes the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus tick. We'll examine its features, assess its performance on different surfaces, and scrutinize its build quality. By the end, you'll know if the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus is the right cleaning companion for your home.
The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus comes packed with features designed to simplify your cleaning routine. One standout feature is its powerful 11,000 PA suction. This allows the vacuum to effectively pick up dirt, dust, and debris from all types of flooring. Another notable feature is the ZeroTangle Technology. This innovative system prevents pet hair and other fibers from getting tangled around the brush roll. Say goodbye to the dreaded task of manually removing tangled hair from your vacuum cleaner. The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus doesn't stop at vacuuming. It also boasts a TruEdge Deep Mopping system. This system uses a combination of a large water tank and a microfiber mopping pad to effectively remove grime and sticky messes. The Auto Mop washing drying feature takes convenience to the next level. Finally, the Auto Lift mopping feature ensures that the mopping pad is automatically lifted when the robot detects carpet. This prevents your carpets from getting wet and allows for seamless transitions between hard floors and carpeted areas.
Now let's talk about how the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus performs in real-world scenarios. On hardwood floors, the vacuum glides effortlessly, picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. The strong suction power ensures that even fine dust particles are effectively removed. The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus also performs admirably on carpets. The increased suction power kicks in automatically, allowing the vacuum to penetrate deep into carpet fibers to remove embedded dirt. The ZeroTangle technology proves its worth, preventing pet hair from clogging the brush roll. In terms of mopping, the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus does a commendable job. The TruEdge Deep Mopping system effectively removes dried spills and leaves floors looking noticeably cleaner. While it may not replace a traditional mop and bucket for deep cleaning, it's a great option for everyday maintenance.
Section 4. Design and Durability. A closer look at the build quality. The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus boasts a sleek and modern design that would complement any home decor. The robot vacuum is relatively compact, allowing it to navigate tight spaces with ease. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting that this robot vacuum is built to last. The dustbin is easy to empty and the water tank is simple to refill. The included charging dock is also compact and unobtrusive, blending seamlessly into any room. Overall, the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus is a well-designed and well-built robot vacuum that exudes quality.
Section 5. Conclusion. Yeedi M12 PRO Plus. Is it the right fit for you? So, is the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus worth your hard-earned money? Based on my experience, I would say yes. It offers a powerful cleaning experience, a range of convenient features, and solid build quality. The combination of strong suction, smart navigation, and effective mopping makes this robot vacuum a valuable addition to any home. While no product is perfect, the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus comes pretty close. Its impressive performance and user-friendly features make it a compelling option for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum and mop that can tackle it all, the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus is definitely worth considering. You can find the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus on Amazon using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.